Good morning. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to solve the programming in Python assignment 12 week 12 solution July October 2024, which last date is 26 October 2024. Hi, I am Mananjan Sahu, research scholar, and now I am going to solve the question here. You can see assignment number 12. Okay, quiz 12. 10 questions. We will solve the 10 questions as soon as possible. Let's start the first question here. The first question is, which keyword is used to raise an expression in Python? Simply, raise an expression means raise keyword. Question number 1, option C is the right answer. You can see here, the raise keyword is used to raise an expression in the Python. Moving to the question number 2, when you try to convert a non-numeric string to an integer, which expression is raised? Which type of expression is raised? That is called value error. See, value error, that means when you try to convert a non-numeric string to an integer, a value error is raised. 2, option B is the right answer. Moving to the question number 3, which block is used to catch expression in Python? Which block is used? This is except. Okay. Except block is used to catch the expression in Python. 3, option B is the right answer. Question number 4, what will be the output of the following code? Here try print y. Okay. Except an expression occurs. Okay, 2 same answer is given. First is y, second is an expression occurred, and expression occurred, no output. That by mistake it is the question is printed here. You may choose B or C, both are the same answer. Okay, I don't know what they have fitted their answer. An expression occurs. See how. Since y is not defined, here y is not defined, an expression is read and the output will be an expression is occurred. Simply string message will be appear. Okay. So you will get a grace mark here because 2 options are given the same answers. Okay. And moving to the question number 5, what will be the output of the following code? Okay. Here def example try return 1, finally return in 3. Result examples print results. So here answer will be 5, option B, that is finally return to 3. Return to 3. Option 3 is the right answer. That means 5, option B. 5, option B. C, 5, option B 3. It finally, in the finally block, the return value 3 overrides the return 1 in the try block. So option 3, that means B, option B 3 is the right answer. Question number 6, which block is executed when no expression are raised? When no expression are raised, that is else. See, the else block is executed when no expression are raised. Simply else. 6, option C. Moving to the question number 7, which expression is raised when you attempt to divide number by 0? That is 0 division error. See what happened in 0 division error. A 0 division error is raised when you attempt to divide a number by 0. So 7, option B is the right answer. Moving to the question number 8, which of the following blocks must be followed by finally block in the Python? By finally block in the Python. It is try. Okay, since finally block must be preceded by a try block. Option C is the right answer. Moving to the question number 9, which statement is assets a conditions in Python and raise an expression of the condition if the condition is false? It is assets. It is asset. An asset statement assets a conditions and raise assertion errors if the condition is false. Simple question. 9, option A. Moving to the last question, what is the expression is raised when you try to access an index that is out of range? Index out of range is indexes are given 1, 2, 3, print x5, which is not present. Then what will be the error message? Error message is indexing error because the 5 is not present here. So what will the answer? Accessing an index that is out of range, raise an index error. Okay. So 10, option A is the right answer. Okay. Guys, you submitted the answer successfully. And we have to verify one second. Question number 1, option C. Question number 2, option B. Question number 3, option B. Question number 4, option B or C. Both are the same. Okay. And question number 5, option B. Question number 6, option C. Question number 7, option B. Question number 8, option C. Question number 9, option A. And question number 10 is also option A. Now is click the submit answer button. Okay. And your answer are successfully submitted. Thank you for taking the assignment number. You can see all the answers are submitted. Guys, if you like my video, I hope definitely you may subscribe my channel. Okay, and from the next session we will try to solve the programming in Python questions. Okay, you must take care of yourself. You must prepare for your exam very well. If you have any doubt, any question, you may put the question in my comment box YouTube channel. Till then, bye.